What's up guys? I hope you all are doing good and staying safe, and today in this video I'm going to talk about some of the accessories that you have to use for your iPhone 12 Pro Max, and these accessories are not very expensive or not very cheap and low quality also. So accessories are something which we use in our smartphones in order to protect our precious smartphone from the drops, from the scratches, and from all the other non-happening things as well. So if you have a smartphone, probably people will have a smartphone that will have a fingerprint magnet sides or the backs, or a screen which shatters, which has a danger of shattering, and which is not very scratch resistant. And if you are someone like me who has a very expensive phone as the iPhone 12 Pro Max, so you should definitely need some accessories to protect the phone. And as I use my smartphone as my primary camera, so I definitely need a case at least to put on so that I can put the phone on the tripod, on the mount easily and without any worry. So today I'm going to unbox and install this Spigen Ultra Hybrid case for the iPhone 12 Pro Max, and for the front I am going to install this Spigen Easy Fit screen protector. These two are very budget friendly products, and these two are even cheaper than the transparent case provided by the Apple. For the cost of the transparent case, you even get one transparent case from Spigen which is also MagSafe compatible, and you get two screen protectors which are very sturdy and very nice, and you also save money after buying these as compared to the cost of a transparent cover. So that's a very steal deal, and let's continue to see the unboxing and installation of these two amazing accessories. Alright, so the two accessories which I am about to show you, I have also presented them and kept that there only at the left side, bottom left, in the unboxing video as well. So now the first accessory is the Ultra Hybrid case by Spigen. So Ultra Hybrid has been the go-to case for me from many years now. Before also, when I had the iPhone 7 Plus, I still have the iPhone 7 Plus. For that I also had the Ultra Hybrid case. For my iPhone 8 Plus I also had the Ultra Hybrid case, and for my iPhone 10 also I had the Ultra Hybrid case, and last year also when I got the 11 Pro I purchased the Ultra Hybrid case. So this time also I kept the trend going and got the Ultra Hybrid case from Spigen. So it's the transparent case. The Ultra Hybrid series has always been the transparent series, but previous years I was going on with the corner designs, like the corners were colored, and as you can see this is the complete transparent version, and it is also MagSafe compatible. The company claims that their cases are also MagSafe compatible, and you can see they are very thin, so it's obvious that they will be MagSafe compatible. But before installing this, I would like to go on to our second accessory, which is the screen protector. They called it Easy Fit. It is a 2-pack screen protector by Spigen, and it contains the two screen protectors, and it's very good because you never know, you break your screen protector once, or sometimes it becomes hard to install, so you always have a second option with you. And on opening the box of the screen protector, so you get all these things. These are the cleaning wipes, these are the screen cleaning wipes. You can use it before installing the screen protector, and this is paperwork. Thank you for choosing Spigen, and these are all the instructions. And this is the case. This is the proper case by which you put the phone on the you put the case on this screen, and like this you will install the screen protector, by which the screen protector will always be right and the position will always be correct. So now let's install the screen protector first, then we will put on our case. So as you can see, I will follow all the instructions. So each of the screen protector is having its own like this plastic cover, so it's very convenient. And you also get this pressing, like it's a plastic pressing thing which you can use to press while applying the screen protector. So I'll keep one to the side and let's go and install. So first of all, I will open this thing because you have to clean your screen first. They also provide many other things, like this is the, like these are the dust removal stickers also. So this is the microfiber cleaning cloth which you can use before installing the screen protector, and this is the cleaning wipe. So first of all, we will use this and we will clean the entire screen area so that there will not be any smudges, so that you will not get any type of bubbles while installing your screen protector. So it's an alcoholic screen wipe, and you can just like clean the surface of the screen like this. So it's done, and now you just clean it by the microfiber cloth so that every dust particle should go away. And as you can see, it's neat and clean and tidy. The screen is completely neat and clean. So now it's time to install the screen protector. And this here it's very convenient because you get this square design and the screen is also flat, so it will be somewhat easier. Alright, so after you have cleaned, just take out one screen protector and you see the sticker which is written back. So here's written back. Just peel off this, and so as you can see, you just peel off this back sticker and it will remove the protective film from the screen protector. So just peel off from here where it's written back, and it will peel off, and you can just then put off the screen protector and the device slowly into the shape of your device like this. And you just have to press here, press in the middle, and then just remove this sticker. You just have to remove this sticker and press in between. You can also use this thing to press and just take it off, and you can see the screen protector is applied, and just peel it off and use this plastic thing given to take off all the bubbles, as I am doing right now. So and after that you can clean it, and here it is. And here it is. You can see it protects the device from the edges, and it's edge to edge, not covering the notch, but it's edge to edge completely, and you can see there's no bubble remaining, and it's very convenient, you know. So it's very nice screen protector. It's not forming any bubbles. If the bubbles are forming, you can press this by this plastic thing and it will go off. So very handy, and it's not very expensive also, unlike the other Belkin screen protectors. And now just coming to our ultra hybrid case, now just clean from the sides, because you know the railings, the side railings of this device are fingerprint magnets, you know. So just clean it from the sides before installing the case so that it remains scratch free, and clean everything, clean the sides. And after cleaning it, just check everything is super clean. And after that, in the case also you get the protective film, and just remove the inner film first. And put the device inside the case. And now peel off the outer film as well, so that you get the look you want. So as you can see, the complete transparent look by the case. It doesn't spoil the beauty, and also giving you protection side by side. And the sides of the phone are raised, as you can see from the cover. Also the sides are raised, all the sides are raised because it's having the drop protection, and you can see there are some small spots as well. The company is doing really good work in giving the drop protection. As you can see, the ports are very precisely cut, the buttons are really nice and clicky, and you can see the power button is also really nice and clicky. So this is it. This is all about the new screen protector and the all new ultra hybrid case from Spigen. Okay, so this was all for the installation and unboxing of the ultra hybrid case for the iPhone 12 Pro Max and the easy fit screen protector for the iPhone 12 Pro Max. I really like the fit, the feel, the clickiness of the side buttons after installing the case, and the case is also MagSafe compatible, which makes it like a tough competitor for the transparent case given by Apple. And also Apple gives the transparent case which has a weird white colored MagSafe outlining because they have outlined the magnets inside. So this case doesn't have magnet, but it is thin enough, it is slim enough so that your phone can easily get attached to the MagSafe charger, so that makes this case MagSafe compatible. And for the screen protector, Spigen is always known to have made some quality good products, be it cases, screen protectors or any other product. So the screen protector is very easy to install with the kit that I have shown you. The kit is very easy, you just have to place it, press it and then take out. So it's just that work only, and nothing no bubble came from the screen protector. Usually bubbles come when you you yourself install the screen protector. So that doesn't happen with me, and I was very satisfied with the overall experience, and I'm really looking forward to use my phone roughly and toughly now because I have a case on, so I can shoot the videos. And I am also shooting the video on the iPhone 12 Pro Max Dolby Vision HDR because I have already installed the case, and you are seeing this video as a Dolby Vision HDR video, and I am really excited to bring the power, to show you the power capability of this device to you in the forms of camera comparison, detailed video comparison and a perfect review as well. So stay tuned for that. Do subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon to stay updated with all the latest and greatest stuff. And if you like my work, you want to support the channel, feel free to subscribe it. So that's it for today. For now, I have to say goodbye, and thank you so much for coming by and watching this video, and I will see you all in the next one really soon.